When numbers get too big to hold in our heads, we use column addition. This is the formal written method, and it works like an assembly line. We deal with one column at a time, starting on the right and moving left. Because it is organized and predictable, it lets us add even large numbers accurately. The first and most important rule is place value. Every digit has a job. Ones must sit under ones, tens under tens, hundreds under hundreds, and thousands under thousands. If the columns are not lined up, you are adding different sized numbers, and the answer will be wrong no matter how carefully you add. This is why neat setup matters so much. Squared paper can really help because each digit gets its own space. Once the numbers are lined up, we always start with the ones column on the right. We never start on the left. This is where regrouping, also called carrying, can happen. Regrouping is not a trick. It comes from how our number system works. 10 ones make 1 10. 10 tens make 100. 10 hundreds make 1,000. Here's a simple example. If you add 4 plus 8, you get 12. You cannot write 12 in the ones column because only one digit fits there. So you write the ones digit, which is 2, in the ones column. Then you regroup the 10 by writing a small 1 above the tens column. That small 1 means one group of 10, not just one. Now let's walk through a full example using the column method. We will add 3,584 and 1,627. First, write the numbers vertically and line up the place values carefully. Start with the ones column. 4 plus 7 equals 11. Write 1 in the answer line and carry 1 to the tens. In the tens column, 8 plus 2 plus the carried 1 equals 11 again. Write 1 and carry 1 to the hundreds. In the hundreds column, 5 plus 6 plus 1 equals 12. Write 2 and carry 1 to the thousands. Finally, in the thousands column, 3 plus 1 plus 1 equals 5. The final answer is 5,211. A very important reminder here is to always add the carried numbers. Those small ones are easy to forget, but they are just as important as the larger digits underneath. Sometimes you'll add numbers with different numbers of digits. For example, adding 6,102 and 899. The rule does not change. You still line up the place values. Even if a column looks empty, it still exists. Add from the ones, regroup when needed, and move left. In this example, regrouping happens several times and creates zeros in the middle of the answer, ending with 7,001. After you finish adding, it is smart to check your work. One quick way is estimation. Round the numbers to make them easier, then add. If your exact answer is close to your estimate, it probably makes sense. For example, 3,500 plus 1,600 is about 5,100, which is close to 5,211. There are a few common mistakes to watch out for. Misaligned columns are the biggest problem. Forgetting to carry is another. Some students carry the wrong digit or forget to add the carried number in the next column. Always remember this rule. If a column adds to 10 or more, write the ones digit and regroup the tens digit. The key ideas to remember are simple. Line up place value carefully. Start with the ones column every time. If the total is 10 or more, regroup. Do not forget the carried numbers. Finally, estimate to check if your answer makes sense. If you follow these rules, column addition with regrouping will work every time.